If your Microsoft Store is having problems with downloading apps, you can try these two things. The first thing is to press the Windows key and R. And then the Run menu will pop up. And then you can type in this, wsreset.exe, and then click OK. And this will clear the cache of Microsoft Store. And then if it still doesn't work, what you want to do is click on Start and then find Microsoft Store. Right-click on it and go to App Settings. Scroll down a little bit, and under Reset, there should be a Reset button. Click on that. This will basically reset the app and delete its data. All right. Hopefully this helped you. If not, you can check for some obvious things like if you have enough storage on your PC or if your internet connection is working properly. And that is it.